organizing my tie downs. It's pretty simple. I just put the tie downs that I have together, and I use a securing strap from a motorcycle, whatever you have around, and I just loop them through, and I pull all my tie downs to length, so they're all the same length and as short as possible. You can also put some kind of retaining thing through the bottom of the straps, but this works for me. I also see a lot of people with Ratchet type tie downs, and they're very upset when they use them. I think it's overkill, and I've never had one of these come loose, this type of strap. I also double up my straps when I'm transporting something, so I have 2 tie downs on each handlebar, and I carefully route my tie downs so I'm not going over wires or brake lines. And they make soft straps, which are like little slings, and it makes it easier for you to go through the handlebar area. Also, you should put your tie downs, the adjuster part, towards your truck or trailer, so it's on the bottom, so it's not rubbing against your motorcycle. Alright, it's the trick to keep your tie downs together and untangled.